to our channel. Today's class I am going to solve one competitive exam questions related to digital electronics. So first I read the question. What Boolean function does following circuit represent? So here some circuit is shown in the figure. So this circuit consists of multiple switches. So in this circuit it consists of 6 switches that namely called as A, B, C, D, E, F. So some of the switches connect in series and some of the switches connect in parallel. So here BC, so BC is connect in parallel, DE connect in parallel. So F is connect parallel with BC. So A is series of BC and F. So here options are given. Option A dot F plus B plus C dot D plus E. Option B, A plus BC plus DE plus F. Option C, A dot B plus C plus A dot D plus E plus F. So now I am going to solve this problem. So here I am taking two representation. So first representation is parallel switch. So parallel switch doing OR operation. Series switch doing AND operation. So using these two representations, now I find the Boolean expression for given circuit. So here A is series with B and C. So A is series with B and C. So series in the sense dot operation. So A dot, then B, C and F. These three switches are parallel. So F plus B and C. So B and C is the parallel. So these two switches are connecting parallel. So B plus C. So A is series with B plus C and F. So A dot F plus B plus C. Then this B plus C switch is connect series with D and E. So series in the sense it's a dot operation. Then D plus E. So these two switches are parallel connections. So final Boolean expression for this circuit is A dot F plus B plus C dot D plus E. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.